Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Erica and today I'm going to be showing you all how to achieve this beautiful color using Cajun Spice from Adore. So one thing I like about this hair color is that it doesn't have any smell. If anything, it smells really good. And so I did bleach this wig off camera because I already have some videos showing me bleaching wigs on what to do and what not to do. And so I did go ahead and use the Got to Be free spray in the yellow can to ensure that my knots do not turn a dark color, because I did go ahead and bleach. Yes, I did bleach this frontal, just in case anyone asks. And so here I'm just going to be dipping it. I did not use hot water, like hot water, boiling hot water like I usually do. This time around, I just used some water out of the faucet, and this is the beautiful color. Now, in some sections on the wig, it is lighter than others because I was using foil. And so I definitely recommend you to not use foil with the 40 developer, because you will sometimes, it just won't be the same all around. Some spots I ended up just go ahead and tightening the foil, which ended up having it processed a different way than everything else around the head. So yes, my bad, but it still came out pretty. So this is going to be Recool's light brown lace, and this is also, like I said, their 13x4 frontal. So I'm starting out by cutting the lace off of the frontal, and I like to go ahead and try to get into like the dips. You honestly don't want any lace showing, because what I have learned is that if you are definitely using any type of glue or any type of gel, that is going to flatten that surface. And so if you have any lace basically on that frontal, is going to show. Like once it starts to like stick and melt, it's going to spread, and then you'll be able to see all the extra lace that you left on there. So definitely make sure you get close to the hairline, but that you don't cut too close so that you mess up all of the plucking. So here I am just using the black Got to Be glue gel. I definitely love this one actually better than the yellow one that I always use. And so right now I am still wearing the wig. It's been about 2 days and I'm still having a good hold. And like I said, this is for people who actually are going to wrap their hair at night. If you are the type of person that don't wrap your hair at night, then I definitely recommend that you use Ghost Bond or some other type of strong adhesive, or that you use an elastic band and you take it off each night. So here I'm just going to be cutting off the earpiece, because you definitely want to make sure that you make that room right there. And I didn't show the other side because, you know, I mean, you see it on one side. And so off camera, I did use the KeraCare Waxstick to sleek down my my edges when I had curled the wig. And so here I'm just going to be giving a comb through, because you definitely want to get all of that hair that you did cut off during the process of cutting the lace. So here I'm just going ahead and I'm using this, my favorite curling iron. I've had this curling iron for like 2 or 3 years. I know I said earlier in the year that I was going to get rid of it, but like I said, if it is not broke, don't fix it. And so here I'm just going to be giving a few curls that I lost in the process of installing this wig. And like I was telling other people, I have a lot of people have been hitting me up on Instagram and on Facebook telling me that other companies are using my videos. And so I ask you all, please make sure when you are like, if you see my face on something, please make sure that you compare the companies, because a lot of you all get scammed and then you come back and you find that video of that hair. You be like, oh, this hair is trash, and it don't even be the same company, sis. So like I said, please make sure y'all compare the same companies. And so these are the final results. I actually love this color, the little blonde streak in the front that's lighter. It gives a little bit of like definition, a little difference in everything. So let me know what you all think about this color and about this hair company. Have you used this hair company before? Make sure you leave any comments or questions down below in the comment section, and I will see you loves in the next video. Bye.
First time I met you, I had no words to say. Lost in your beauty, and you felt the same. It felt so perfect.